Eikhoi, Hingminnasi Eikhoi, Hingminnasi Eikhoi, Hingminnasi Eikhoi. Taibang malam lekol sida.
Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. Today, my heart is heavy thinking about the situation in Manipur.
But I truly believe we are not meant to live divided. We are one people, created by God. Let us choose unity. Let us choose peace. Healing will come when we forgive, understand, and unities. The film BOONg reminds us of something beautiful, that beyond conflict, there was once unity and form. So today, I humbly ask you, let us rebuild that unity again. Let us love, pray,